What's up, IQcodec? You are all welcome to this new video tutorial. So today we're talking about WhatsApp GB, which is one of the most used modded version of WhatsApp. So WhatsApp GB come up with some great updates that are going to change your mindset about using WhatsApp GB. So from now on, WhatsApp GB support cloud backupping. So you're now able to back up your WhatsApp GB file in such a way that if you misplace your phone or buy a new phone, you're going to restore them back into a new phone without having any problem with that. So all of that, WhatsApp GB doesn't support Google Drive compared to WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. But now all the modern version of WhatsApp actually have what they call the cloud backup, and that is going to enable you now from now on to back up your files on Dropbox or on Mega. So see you next after the introduction. Let me show you what these new features are. I'm Fabrice from IQcodec and I'm going to be the instructor. Back to real business. So I am Fabrice from IQcodec. As I said in the introduction, if you have not yet seen my face, this is my face. And for those of you wondering about the video quality, this is just because I'm using my mobile device. So by God's grace, I'm going to be buying a Sony M50 by the month of October. So we're going to be upgrading our video quality on IQcodec. And please, if it's the first on this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay tuned with the latest update. And please, we are planning to make 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So we believe on you for that watching this video. So let us get back to the real business. As I said in the introduction, we are talking about the new release version of WhatsApp GB, which come with actually cool features like cloud backupping, as I explained in the intro. So cloud backupping actually allows you now to back up your files in a cloud such a way that if you buy a new phone, you can actually download the files and use it in a new phone. So restore everything from zero, so you actually have back access to your media files, conversation on WhatsApp. So back in the days when WhatsApp GB was only blocked at the level of local backup, so that is enabling you to only do a local backup of your media files in your Android device, such a way that if your Android get misplaced, you're going to lose all these files, compared to WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp normal version of WhatsApp, which actually has what Google Drive within installing it. So the new version of WhatsApp GB actually comes with a better version of Dropbox and Mega integrated in the WhatsApp GB that allows you to now upload your media file to a backup of your WhatsApp GB media files conversation in Dropbox or in Mega. And once you buy a new phone, you can actually log in back with this Dropbox and Mega and restore them back into your Android device. So we're going to be looking at it all together. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. And please, one thing you should note is that this is a beta version, so it is still under progression. That's still working on that, but we can say it is a good thing. It's a good initiative for now, and it's a really good thing to say that I'm working on this, because a lot of us we have been actually counting on this, so that we should be able to do this right from our phone. But one thing is sure is that at the end of this video, we're going to be able to back up your GB WhatsApp and restoring them back into your new Android device without any problem. So let us dive into the demonstration in my screen. Let us go. Let's proceed with the video. So first thing first, you need to have the latest version of GB WhatsApp already installed on your Android device. So I'm going to leave the link of this latest version of GB WhatsApp, which actually has the better features I was talking about. So you click on the three dot and I'm going to move to GB settings. So moving into GB settings, you go to backup and restore, and you're going to see the two new features we're talking about. We have Mega and we have Dropbox, which are actually in the beta phase, so they're still under development, but they are actually working at a certain level. So I'm going to try them out now. So another thing you need to do is that you need to have, so for this video I'm going to be using Dropbox. I'm going to go Dropbox, because Dropbox is a little bit more free than Mega. So Mega actually allows you, I think it's 500 megabytes, whereas Dropbox allow you with up to 5 gigabytes for the free account. So now this will depend on the level of GB data you have to back up. For example, if your WhatsApp GB data is more than 6 gigabytes or 8, that's where the problem is going to arise. But if your WhatsApp GB data is less, or it can still be high, you don't need to upgrade your offer on Dropbox, actually have a more space. So you need to have Dropbox already installed. Have Dropbox and make sure you create an account on Dropbox. So I already have an account. Once this is done, so you can still have an account. So I'm going to delete, I already did a backup, so I'm going to delete it. So to start from afresh, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, delete. So just to show you how it is working. Now moving back to WhatsApp GB, this is what we're going to see. We'll go to backup and restore. So first thing first, you need to activate include media. Activate this and you come at this level. So let us first connect our Dropbox account. So click on Dropbox account. You're going to log, so they're actually going to ask you to allow access. So just allow access to your Dropbox account. Okay, so once this is done, you can see our Dropbox account is actually shown. So you can also have latest backup information. I did a backup, it was yesterday. So yeah, make sure you choose only when I tap on backup. So choose this option. Now you can come and click on backup WhatsApp data. So let us wait for it to backup so you can see copying files. So after the copying files, is going to preparing files to backup. And you can see this Dropbox actually integrated into WhatsApp GB. So that's what is actually very cool about it. So just wait for this. After preparing the backup, it's actually going to move to uploading to Dropbox. So wait and see what is going to happen at this level. Okay, so now you can still have uploading backup files to Dropbox. So you can see it is actually with one click that we're able to do this. So just wait for this uploading process to be done, and I'm going to come back to the video. Okay, as you can see, the data backup is complete. So at this level, we just need to click on the up button. So once it is up, you can now check our last save is actually today. So you can see backup size is 137 megabytes. So please, one thing you should notice that you need high data bandwidth for this process. So once this is done, we're going to illustrate the case of maybe if you have misplaced your device. So what I'm going to do from now on, we're going to be uninstalling GB WhatsApp from our Android device and reinstalling it to actually see if these beta features actually work. So first thing first, I'm going to uninstall GB WhatsApp. So uninstall. So I'm going to uninstall GB WhatsApp, and what I'm also going to do is that after uninstalling GB WhatsApp, I'm going to install back the fresh copy of GB WhatsApp. Okay, this is it. So let us install back GB WhatsApp. So install. Okay, so once GB WhatsApp has been installed, you click on the done button. Okay, now from here you can see we have GB WhatsApp, a fresh copy of. So we're actually illustrating the case if your phone has been misplaced. So agree and continue, allow. So make sure you choose Dropbox. So at this level, we're going to be choosing Dropbox. Remember, I don't want to use local backup. We are taking cloud service, so we're going to choose Dropbox. So I can test if this beta service is working. Click on Dropbox. So next to do, just to allow permission. So just confirm. And please, so on your new Android device, make sure you download back Dropbox and get connected with the same address you use while backupping your GB data. So choose restore from Dropbox and click on the restore button. So please, for this process, make sure you have high data connection. So okay, so you can see unzipping restore file has actually started. So let's just wait for this to complete. Okay, so once this is done, let us create our WhatsApp account. Okay, so backup found. At this level, click on the restore. So let us see if this beta version is working. So if you click on restore, okay, sorry, we're unable to restore any of your message history backup. So let us proceed. Let us see IQcodec. So please don't freak out. Let us just create the account. Okay, let us restart to see what happens. Okay, so actually the beta version actually has a problem, so please don't freak out, but I'm going to provide 2 links at the header of this video that are actually going to help you to actually restore back your WhatsApp messages using Google Drive. So this is just to show you that WhatsApp GB is actually working on the cloud backup services, and in, let us say, in 2 or 3 months time, this beta version are going to be officially 100% functional. So I'm going to provide the links to 2 videos that are going to help you to actually restore back your WhatsApp messages, which are my best. So one of the video is one of my videos and the other one is one of my colleagues. So I recommend you to watch these 2 videos. So if you have not watched a video, this video will help you do that, how to back up and restore with Google Drive while waiting for GB WhatsApp to actually make the beta version 100% functional. And the other video I'll advise you to check is AIM tutorial. So the name of the channel is AIM tutorial, which is actually a friend of mine. So I'll advise you to watch his tutorial on how to restore, how to back up and also restore your WhatsApp, your GB WhatsApp messages using Google Drive. So here's the tutorial. So I'm going to provide a link of, so here is his video, how to back up and restore GB WhatsApp messages on Google Drive. So I'll put these 2 links as cards up here so you can actually use it and watch a video. So this was just to show you that WhatsApp GB is working on the cloud services, and as you can all see, it was proven that. So you can see the cloud service is, let us say, 60% working. So yeah, the cloud service is 60% working because it actually allows us to back up but doesn't restore. So WhatsApp GB is working on the restore. So we pray that the beta version 2 should be 100% complete.